right, so I think the corn is ready. Just one though. So I'm gonna harvest my first corn with you guys. Let's see how this works out. So one of the ways you know your corn is ready is that this part, the silk, it turns dark. I think mine's like drying out, so I really think it's ready for picking. And if you feel it, it feels full as well. So it's ready for picking. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just pick my first corn. Oh geez, I see some ants.
Ew!
Oh,
No one's eating
Shoot
that.
them
Only
down.
chickens. You like-
And now let's open this up and see how it looks. Oh wow! That's so cool. It really is corn. Well, that is what I planted, but yeah, look at it, guys. It's really corn. I'm gonna boil and try it tonight. Wow, that's so exciting. I got my first corn. Whoa, the ants are still on here though. But yeah, that's my first corn. It's time to harvest these potatoes right here. I'm gonna start off with this bag. I have a tarp-like bag here that I used at the beginning of the season. I'm just gonna lay it down. I don't know how many I'm gonna get, but we'll see. If any at all. My hopes are not very high for these potatoes. So for harvesting, I have my tarp here. I have a box to put the potatoes in. So this is my first time harvesting potatoes, by the way. I don't expect to get a lot. If I get just a few, I'll be satisfied. What's this? Oh, a bulb. I have a baby one. I got a baby one here. I don't even know if they're ready, but I'm ready to pull them out.
Are you done your shift?
What is this? I don't know what this is. It's very hard. I have no idea what it is.
I see a big ball.
Oh, I have another baby potato.
That's what I am.
Let's pick these up and see. Yeah,
Did you see it?
I have one here.
Okay. What's in the box?
I have one here. All these are babies. Well, the largest one so far is that one. This one has nothing. It's again nothing. I got a big one. Maybe I should dump this. I wasn't going to, but let's dump it and see if any is in there. My expectation for this was so low. Okay, let's just dump this. Oh, snap. Okay, I got a half a potato in here. Ooh, we have a few, you guys. Ooh, digging for potatoes is so much fun. Here's another one. Baby one. Okay, I think that may be it for now.
Okay, this is the one.
This sun is hot.
This is one.
I don't think there's anything else in this bag. And, oh, except for my leaves.
I'm on the glasses.
All right.
Nose it can go.
Yeah, I think there's nothing else in this bag. What do I do with this now? I'm not too sure. I do need this. So I'm gonna have to put this in another container. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. You guys, this is the first bag that I expected to get very few from, and to me this is really great. I did not put any fertilizer or anything. There's ants in that bag, so I was gonna reuse this soil. I will not because of the ants in there, but yeah, I'm proud of this. This is just one. Let's go to the others. Here we are in Potato Lane. All of it's fallen over. It's just dried out and it's taking up space. It looks terrible. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get in here to harvest this. Holy man, there's barely any room. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on here. There's grass in Potato Lane. There's weeds. But I do need to try and clear this path. Can you guys even see me? There's lots of weeds and things in here. So I'm gonna try and do this as quickly as possible. It's way squishy here. The paper bags, they've disintegrated, you guys. These are not even in anything. They just broke off. It's just weeds and things here. And the cantaloupe vines are intertwining. Oh, is this it? The cantaloupe vines are coming over, so I don't want to disturb those. So I gotta clean this out a bit before I harvest these potatoes. Like there are wasps and other pollinators coming around here. Bees, I don't mind. Wasps are a little bit more feisty. But if I see a bumblebee, I'm fine with it. But the wasps, not so much. Wow, this just disintegrated. All right, let's see what we got here. We're gonna. Oh, there's a baby potato on here. Let me show you guys. Where are we? Baby potato, and there are little ones here. I have some grass clippings I'm going to put in here. Some more grass clippings. The soil is good for the most part, so I'm going to try and save some of it. I do see another potato here. Small baby ones. But yeah, they all just broke apart. There's just a bunch of soil here.
This is all garbage. I need a garbage bag actually. Yep. I need a garbage bag.
I definitely need a garbage bag. Apart from that one potato, there are no other potatoes. There are no more because the bag broke apart. And you know how potatoes grow. The hilling had to happen and I didn't continue that. We got spiders in Potato Lane. Some big ones too. Oh, what's this? Wow. This was a really big potato, you guys, but it's been eaten up. So, can't do much about that. We got worms, which is good. Well, even though there are no potatoes, the soil is pretty good. There's another bag here. Ah! Let's see if there's anything.
Yeah, I took it out.
Oh, there's one baby potato.
Mom, I feel burning.
Yeah, you need to get out of the sun. Go.
I didn't really need to open this.
Do it.
Dad, you too on. I didn't like look at you.
All right. I'm gonna make a makeshift bed here.
Mama,
Huh?
look. The
All right. You guys have a place to run.
yeah. Why? So late to this Friday. Now you need to watch.
Oh wow. Look at this massive potato. And I got a little one here.
Bye, Papa.
I did a lot of cleaning up over here. I took all the potato bags from here and I still have the tarp there. I fill that large bin over here with most of the soil, and this bag of potatoes I'm not going to get right now. It is much too hot. What I am going to attempt to do though is I'm going to take these vines and I'm going to try and direct them over there where I took out the potatoes. See how that works out. I may do it now or a little later because it is way too hot. I actually can't believe I did all that, but it was such an eyesore. Whoo! Thank God it's done. I am so glad this eyesore is gone. I could see here again. The grass is not supposed to be there, but that could be taken care of. But here are the potatoes left to harvest. And yeah, now we have some walkway, and yeah, everything is looking better right now in terms of cleaning up. This was such an eyesore. Now these guys get a chance to run. Run. They could run here in the dirt. My very first potato harvest. This is better than nothing. So I'm proud of it considering I had them in paper bags and I did not get to hill them. I started off hilling them and then I just lost track of that. in addition to the bag disintegrating. I do still need to harvest this box of potatoes over here, as well as the potatoes over there in the garden. I will do that another day because it's way too hot. The mouse is actually there eating the red cabbage. So he's eating all of those out right now. Ooh, the pollinators are out. Y'all have no idea how happy I am. That part is done. I still got to clean out the grass, but I'm glad that's over with. And that is it for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and water these very thirsty plants. You have yourself a wonderful day, and God bless you.